I still pop pill, and I go on drip.
Yo, what's up, crypto family? We're back with another video. I know I made a video like this before in the past, but I just want to make like an updated version of this and show you guys basically the whole system, how it works, what you can do, what you can't do, and how easy it is to use. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you never make another upload. Remember to do your own research, and it's not financial advice. And let's get into it. So as you can see by the title, the title and the screen we're on right now, we are in the SafePal, guys. So today's video is gonna be about the tips and tricks and the ins and outs of SafePal. So if you decide to get one for yourself, you're already a pro at it. So as you can tell, there's 5 main pages. You have the wallet, statistics / market, Dapps, swap, and earn. Okay, so we're gonna start off with wallet. Basically what the wallet does is show you all your tokens that you have in your wallet and the tokens that you had in your wallet and you haven't. So like I could basically just go how you use it. I can click add and go and add some. Say I want a Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now there. See, I can go out, update, there's Bitcoin. Hide that. And as you can see, I can even hide coins with value. So hide ETH. ETH's gone. So now I ain't even gotta worry about that. So basically there's 3 tabs to this. You have assets, which again shows you all your assets. DeFi, which shows you the pools and farms and dApps you're in. See, I'm in 2 pools on PancakeSwap. And then NFTs. Right now, 3 blockchains for NFTs. So you have ETH, BSC, and Polygon. So as you can see, I only have 1 on ETH, none on BSC, and quite a few on Polygon. No idea where a lot of these came from except for the sandbox lands. I migrated my land over from ETH to Polygon. So got my sandbox lands over here. Can't really see about that, guys. So move out of here. Boom. So that's gonna show you all that. You can search through your assets. So I could do drip, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. So pretty cool. And you can do the plus, and also shows you all the coins you can. Then you have the sort. You can sort it by name. So make sort it by amount, or you can sort it by custom sort, which you can set in your settings, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So we're gonna sort by value and then refresh. Alright, so then right here, this is your wallet book, and it shows you all your wallets that you have connected to your SafePal and your SafePal app. So right here, as you can see, I have my Binance login and my SafePal hardware wallet, and I call it the Guardian because it's the guardian of the crypto. So that's that, and it shows you when it was connected. And you click that, and it just shows you all this type of stuff. And it shows you your wallet assets, like your breakdown, your management. So there's that. Oh, I'm probably gonna block out this whole top stuff because I don't know if there's like sensitive information and you guys can't really see that. So block out that top part where you guys can only see that. So boom, move out of there. We can click here. It shows add wallet, so you can add another wallet. Buy crypto from USD to Binance, and then you'll go through this. You'll read this. Next, then you'll just put in your credit card details, stuff like that. So I'm not gonna be going through that right now. That'll be for another thing. That shows your order history. You know what I'm saying? Here. And then you have the support, which brings you to support and settings. And then this, which allows you to scan a QR code. So next tab that we have is your markets. So like this is your favorite markets. normal markets. And you can like click on these, buy and sell through Binance. The Binance Dapp. So I like, to be honest, like this uses like, there's no KYC on this. This is the Binance Dapp. So I can just go and trade however I want. So you got the markets, trades, futures markets, savings, earn some yield on SafePal, Cake, USDT, BUSD, Axie, Binance, Coding, Drip, I don't even know what that is, MTL, Near Protocol, Quantum, Rad, Sand, Waves, don't know what that is, ADA, Acro, I feel like I know Acro, ANC, AVAX, Bitcoin Cash, BLZ, C98, Coin98, Chili's, Curve, CBX, Dentology, Didex, you know what I'm saying, a bunch of different tokens. So you have the flexible earnings, and then you have the locked earnings. So basically the time locked ones, so we can move out of there. And then you have the wallets, which shows you your wallets, overview, spot, futures, and earn. So we can move up out of here because we don't need to do that. As you can see, they have like a ton of different markets and stuff. So that, and basically you could just favorite your favorite market pairs or whatever, and check them out whenever you want in the favorites tab, and it shows you whatever. So next we have the Dapps page. You're not limited to just the dApps shown here. Like, you can use any dApp you want. This is just like what they have readily available, like as shortcuts for you, like the most used dApps. So pull all these back. Sorry about that. So here, obviously you can search something in, like, you know what I'm saying, we could do Animal Farm. We can click go, but actually before we do that, we can set our blockchain that we want. As you can see, they have RSK, Syscoin, Gnosis, Chronos, Moonbeam, Cello, Aurora, Metis, Fuse, KuCoin, Near, Injective, Terra Classic, Godwoke, Wokem, Songbird, Boba, AVAX, C-Chain, Arbitrum, Optimism, Hecko, Phantom, Solana, Polygon, Tron, BSC, and Ethereum. So no shortage of blockchain dApps, okay, guys? There's no shortage of blockchains. Alright? So, moving on from that, like I said, we're going to just go into a Binance dApp, and we'll just click go, confirm. You can see, it loads up pretty quick. Make sure right here, go, whoops, connect your wallet, MetaMask, more, SafePal. Sometimes this doesn't like to connect. You know what I'm saying? I guess it's just because it's old or whatever. But it don't really matter too much anyways. Oop, don't want to listen to that. Boom. So these are the recent dApps that I've used that it shows. The hottest dApps right now. Then you have DeFi apps. This goes through most blockchains. Binance, the most popular Binance apps. Most popular tools to use and the best tools. Ethereum dApps, Solana dApps, Polygon dApps, AVAX dApps, and Hecko dApps, Arbitrum dApps, and that's it for their front page. But as you can see, you could just scroll through this top here and see all that other stuff. So not too shabby. So next thing they have is a built-in bridge. So I know a lot of you guys like to go through Change Now, Simple Swap, Swap Space. You ain't even got to do all that. SafePal got a swap built right in. Blockchain to blockchain. I can go from ETH to AVAX right now. I can go from Binance to ETH. I can go from Binance to AVAX. I can go from Binance to Bitcoin to Binance. You know what I'm saying? I can go through all these different blockchains and see, I can even go from BEP20 BNB to BEP2 BNB. So, you know what I'm saying? Basically, you know, just a built-in bridge, all the popular tokens, you know what I'm saying? So, all that in, and pay, and put your name or address, but name of the token or the address there. Search it up, and you'll be able to get it. And they have a couple of these right here. So, there's a minimum So you have to have the minimum. Then you have different bridges right here. So you bridge that from Rose to Godwoken. Bunch of USDT pairs, TRC20 to BEP20, ERC20 to BEP20, ERC20 to TRC20. You know what I'm saying? Then you got USDC, BUSD, BNB, Bitcoin, and ETH. So all that good stuff. And then finally you got the exchange, which brings you back to Binance. And then obviously the order book history, whatever. So this shows you your swap history. See, I got a couple of swaps using it. It works really good. It's way faster than most others. It takes about 5 minutes. Sorry about that, guys. It takes about 5 minutes for a swap to go through, and that's literally blockchain to blockchain. So it's not bad, guys. So let's go to the last page, which is the earn, and it basically shows you ways to earn money through SafePal. So basically, you earn SafePal and other tokens. So some of these pools, like as you can see, it goes through buy swap. Some go through pancake swap. Some go through ape swap. So basically, all depends. You know what I'm saying? So you can earn, this one brings you 10% in BSC plus another 83% in SafePal. This one brings you 35% in buy swap, another 54% in SafePal. So you know, pretty high APYs, you know what I'm saying? Lots of TVL, couple mil, you know what I'm saying? So they're definitely putting up numbers and volume. So, you know, they gotta be doing something right. And they're definitely increasing the APYs of these pools by a lot by adding their own token. So this is just another way to earn money straight through them. So you'll earn 2 tokens, the token of the native DEX and some SafePal token. So there's that, and then you have the deposit tab, which shows you all your deposits. And then you have the search, so you can search the pools, and then the filters. So not too shabby. Let's see what they have going on. As you can see, they only have Binance protocols right now. They don't have any ETH, Solana, or Polygon yet. So there is that. So you're basically kind of stuck to Binance, but overall it's not bad. You know what I'm saying? This is a great system. It is mobile. It's very secure. You know what I'm saying? The SafePal itself is actually pretty cheap. It's about $60, like, and well, $55-$60 depending on where you are. You know what I'm saying? Which is way cheaper than like a Ledger Nano X, which is $120. And you know what I'm saying, most other hardware wallets, which range from like $80 to $120. So this one's like pretty cheap, you know what I'm saying, but it's really good, very secure, very user friendly, really easy to use. You know what I'm saying? It's really straightforward and all that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop the link down to the SafePal site where you can purchase one for yourself if you need it. But stay safe, protect your money. This is how you, well, you know what I'm saying, protect your money for generations to come. Make sure everything's nice and secure. But I'll catch you guys in the next one, and peace.